Welcome to Nagano Tonic Reviews channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into Nagano Tonic, one of the top-rated supplement for losing weight and melting away belly fat. This ancient tonic could be your secret weapon for shedding pounds and melting away belly fat. Before we get started, make sure you get Nagano Tonic only from the official website to ensure authenticity and quality. We've included a direct link in the description below to help you access the genuine product, along with any exclusive discounts or guarantees that come with it. Avoid third-party sites where counterfeits are common. Buying from the official source is the safest way to ensure you're getting exactly what you pay for. Click the link below to check Nagano Tonic out, one of the top-rated supplement for losing weight and melting away belly fat. The Nagano Tonic, inspired by the people of Nagano, Japan, is packed with powerful ingredients that boost metabolism and promote weight loss. It combines apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, ginger, and honey, creating a delicious drink that not only tastes great, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels and curb cravings. Just drink it first thing in the morning and watch the magic happen. Plus, the Nagano region is known for its long-lived residents, so you know this tonic has some serious health benefits. Ready to transform your body? Give the Nagano Tonic a try. I hope this review helped you get a clearer picture of whether Nagano Tonic is the right fit for you. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to click the link in the description below to get more details and the latest deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.